Lila, a 9-year-old adventurer, found an old map in her attic. It read, "The unknown forest, only the brave may enter." With her cat Milo and a compass, she followed the map into the woods. The trees whispered her name. She met Fernwick, a clever fox, who offered to guide her if she solved 3 riddles. Lila solved them, and they reached a glowing river. A rainbow bridge appeared, and Lila bravely crossed it. On the other side, Queen Lumi told her the forest's magic was fading. Lila retrieved the crystal feather from a cloud dragon and woke the heart tree. Magic bloomed, and creatures cheered. Queen Lumi gave Lila a starry charm, and she returned home with Milo, who sparkled with magic. Queen Lumi placed a starry charm on Lila's forehead. "This will guide you back, whenever the forest calls." Lila blinked, and was home. But Milo's whiskers sparkled. She smiled. The unknown forest isn't so unknown.